Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error message 0x8007000d that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, where Windows Update spits out an error message that we could not install this update, but you can try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve this error. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath options, select the other troubleshooter option on this list. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter here. And once it has concluded, close out of here and open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'll have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Give this a couple minutes to run. And once that scan has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file tracker utility, so just give us a moment here. And once it has concluded, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved and you have fixed the Windows Update error message 0x8007000d. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.